the nozzles and an exam, and it's just really, really nice and smooth. Let me check, because each and individual of them was anchored really well down into the condensed glue gels and Pixie and no wipe top coat. I feel just a little bit right here scratchy, then I'm gonna squeeze just that much. You see that how much I squeeze out? That's all you need. Little go a long way. I'm gonna check that again.
Yep. And the crystal are from the Ultimate Crystal Kit. Perfect combination.
I love that. This is giving me so much. So now, if you're seeing me 1,000 of video I do, you haven't seen me do the design like this. It looks like, it's so not in any ways that. So it means you can definitely train your brain to adapting to anything, and is really totally different. At first when I look at this, oh my gosh, I don't know, but now when I look at all of them, it's really cool though. It's so cute and unique, and especially when the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coated hold your crystals, so you have nothing to lose but enjoy the look of it. Normally when you see me, I always say like, you make sure you add the centerpiece and then get all the fillers really close and tight and connect together. As long as they connect, they will never go anywhere. Even they're not connected, it was not going anywhere because the condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat. But it's so cool that it was on the setting on the top of the disco flash gels. All right, so anyway, you can do disco flash gels on any colors, like 6 of them. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I use this color, but I'm planning to doing it like cover like this color, like more like a transcendent, and say, oh, life is too short. Just we'll see how all of this color is gonna looks on it. I'm gonna just make sure that I'm gonna seal in. If you feel scratchy right here, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit. Little go a long way, because you don't want to flood it. Your crystal especially is going on the shiny surface right here with the disco flash gels. I'm gonna check. If you do feel it, just feel it's like this, you're gonna squeeze just a little bit in. Right there. Make sure you get all of them are seal. Can you see it on there? I'm just checking to make sure they are not go anywhere. Okay, want to clear this for 60 seconds. If you feel like any of a scratchy that you want to seal it again, absolutely, you can able to repeat it. Make sure you flash clear for 30 seconds before you seal again, and make sure don't lose this red cap. Put it back on, so then that way it will keep it from getting clogs and leaking anything else. Let me see if I can put in this one. Is done. Can I borrow that one? The tray. Yeah, that first one. Do you have anything on it? No, the other one. Yeah. Let me see. I'm just storage my stuff in here. My press on. I have one set. This one. This is all my size that I size it according to my nails. So it's 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3 coffin set. And then no, actually more. I have it the other on the press-ons set that I did it for you the other day. From a sub box, remember? I really like it though, not bad. stay out of the box. You see, usually I did all other crystals, like really follow the concept, stay tight together. But today, it's not tight together, but it's not going anywhere. It's kind of a crystal obsession. Just like make your crystal is like obsessed. Going really cute. Okay. I did 10 colors, so you get a preference of different colors you can do. Take this off. I just remove it off from here. Just in case you need to shape it right here to remove a little bit of extra top coat. Just do so. I just wonder if you have a flashlight on this, how it's gonna turn out. You know what? It's gonna be really cool though. I forgot. Now it's just done. You know what it is? Diamond Dust Pixie. Illuminating Diamond Dust Pixie. What even am I thinking? But you know what? We still have a nice background underneath, which is the disco flash shells. That's just cool though, this set. You like it? Mm-hmm. What you like the best about it?
Technically, you have like the Power Rangers somehow.
The infinity nails?
Yeah. Superhero nails. So how about that?
Okay. Some crystal. Something sticking there.